Hi LPTs! Today we are with our top-notcher Coach Angel, and today she will help us do random drills about the authors para sa ating general education and also useful sa ating mga English majors. And of course, Sir Chosen na tinutulungan nating mag-review. So Coach, handa na kami. Handa ka na ba, Sir?
Well, that's your choice. Okay, let's start with our first person. Who is the greatest Indian poet?
Ah, I know that. Kalidasa?
Kalidasa, that's correct. Next, who is the first Japanese to receive the Nobel Prize in Literature?
Ito, Sir.
See?
Kawabata.
Kawabata, that's correct. Next, who is the first African Nobel Prize recipient?
Africa?
Soyinka.
Ah, Soyinka. Yeah, Wally Soyinka.
Wally Soyinka. Next, who is the greatest playwright?
Yeah.
Yes, it's William Shakespeare. Who is the Bard of Avon?
Shakespeare!
Shakespeare pa rin. Who is the or when is the golden age of English literature?
I think that's modern?
It's during the Renaissance.
Oh, ala! Renaissance.
Who is the Filipino migrant? Ito, hindi siya ng English, but yung sinulat niya is English. Filipino migrant whose fiction stories reflect the Filipinos' concept of American culture. Yung famous, niya is the Scent of Apples.
Bienvenido Santos.
Bienvenido Santos.
American. Timanin ang word na American.
Ito, another writer, Filipino writer pa rin, na yung poems niya nagdidepict sa Filipino-Spanish.
Spanish is Nick Joaquin. Very good.
Sa Filipino-Spanish, si Nick Joaquin. Sino naman yung may Memoria Photographica?
Si J. Jose. Yeah, Jumapa. Very good.
Yeah, natabalik tayo dun sa mga English. Who's the morning star of English literature?
Choser. Yeah.
Who's the greatest haiku poet?
Haiku.
Wala pa.
Basho.
Coach Tracy Matsu, Basho. And then now, popular Philippine secular poetry in octosyllabic format. Kapag octosyllabic,
Ano yan? Dili, work na siya. Corrido, octo?
corrido, and then what's an example of corrido?
Si Ibong Adarna,
Yes,
I think.
Ibong Adarna, that's right. Ito, mga authors. Author of Pilgrim's Progress.
Bunyan!
Yeah. Sino ang sumulat ng Jane Eyre? Eyre ba ito, Coach?
Si Bronte.
Si Bronte, yes. Charlotte Bronte. Sino ang sumulat ng Gitanjali, Coach?
Is si Tagore.
Si Tagore.
Yeah.
Sir Chosen, sino sumulat ng Paradise Lost?
Si Dante Alighieri.
No, Coach. Sino
Milton.
Si Milton. Sir Chosen, sino sumulat ng Invictus? Invictus. Coach, rescue coach.
Oh my gosh. H ang sugod siyang name and my God, is nalimutan ko. Nalimutan ko yung name niya.
Si William.
William
Ernest.
Ernest dito?
Anyway, next, who wrote To Kill a Mockingbird?
Harper, yeah.
Oh?
Galing ni Sir Chosen.
Tama, Harper Lee. And then next, sino sumulat ng Wuthering Heights?
Emily Bronte.
Wuthering Heights, yes. Sino sumulat ng Little Woman?
Oy, Alcott.
Alcott, si Louisa Alcott. Sir Joseph, sino sumulat ng Adventures of Huckleberry Finn?
Mark Twain! Oh no!
Yes. Di ba si Mark Twain yung, yung pseudonym? Mark Twain. Yes, Samuel Clemens.
Samuel Clemens. Okay. Mark Twain, Samuel Clemens, George Eliot, Mary Ann Evans.
Yes. Sino naman yung sumulat ng Picture of Dorian Gray?
Wild.
Yes.
Kasi si Dorian makita sa Wild.
Yeah, sino sumulat ng The Gatsby?
Gatsby, F. Gerard.
Yes, F. Scott Fitzgerald.
Yeah.
Sino sumulat ng Mrs. Dalloway?
Wolf.
Yes. Sino sumulat ng A Rose for Emily?
Letter Cecilia BJ.
And then ito, Don Quixote de la Mancha.
Yan, see?
Sino?
Timong yun niya. Don Quixote.
Don Quixote is the writing, di ba? Yung sumulat.
Yeah, yung sumulat is Miguel de Cervantes.
Yes. Midnight Children.
Midnight Children.
Sino sumulat ng Midnight Children?
Sino, sir?
Washington Irving.
Washington
Irving. Sino naman ang Christmas Carol?
Carol si Kwan. Kinsa? Dickens.
Yes,
Charles
Dickens.
Dickens.
Ito, what sonnet is this? How do I love thee? Let me count the ways. This is very beautiful. Sonnet
49?
Sonnet 43.
43 pala.
Tandaan nyo lang, it's about love. So
I love you, 143 pala. Love you, tanggalin mo yun.
Sino sumulat nito?
Elizabeth
Yes,
Browning.
Elizabeth Barrett Browning.
Para kanino?
Para kanino? Para kanino? Sa husband niya?
Sa husband niya.
Kay
Robert,
Browning,
yeah.
Robert Browning. And ito, when in disgrace with fortune and men's eyes.
Oh, not familiar.
This is by Shakespeare.
Oh, when it mo bo?
Yes.
Is that tragedy or comedy?
Hindi ako sure kung ano siya. Sa susunod na video.
Sige,
Coach.
explain. Next.
Sino sumulat ng Daniel De Ronda?
Oh!
Nice. How about Magnificence?
Alphon.
Canterbury Tales.
Canterbury Tales.
Ano naman? Umulat siya, no? Canterbury Tales. It's Chaucer.
Chaucer.
Sonnet for her husband. It's the same, also similar to...
Elizabeth.
Yes, Sonnet 43 for her husband, si Elizabeth. Alice in Wonderland.
Carol Lewis.
Carol. Harry Potter.
J.K. Rowling.
J.K. Rowling. Lord of the Rings.
Tolkien.
Iliad and Odyssey.
Oh.
Homer. A Poison Tree.
William Blake.
William Blake. Pride and Prejudice.
Jane Austen.
Jane Austen. Letters for Celia.
BJ.
Dan Johnson. Count of Monte Cristo.
Dog.
Alexander
Yes.
Dumas. Uncle Tom's Cabin.
Stowe.
Harriet Beecher. So Vanity Fair.
Thackeray.
Yes, Thackeray. Gulliver's Travels.
Swift.
Jonathan Swift. Robinson Crusoe.
Dafoe.
Ramayana.
Ramayana is sinisigan. Basta as you start. Huh?
Maharishi Valmiki.
Is it Valmiki?
Mm-hmm.
Ano sabi sulat ni katong S and something?
Sino naman yung Crime Punishment?
Crime, Fyodor.
Fyodor.